Here's our stock and focus segment. We're looking at Intel Corp, and you could see right off the bat, you could see that the Bollinger Bands are really starting to get very tight, very compressed here, looking for potentially a volatile move here. Now, normally what you want to do here is that you could play different strategies, option strategies, when you see something like this, because you do know that should anticipate some change in volatility, which is always usually good for the option player. The problem is that sometimes it's not always clear the direction here, and you know, you can. That's sometimes the very difficult thing. You can make a case for it either way a lot of times. Now, sometimes it can be a lot clearer with technical analysis, but sometimes you really just need prices to kind of move where they need to, and then you kind of get an idea where you're going to be moving here because you've already factored in what could take place. Now, like I said, sometimes it can give you a hint here. Now, you've had a pretty long extended move, and you had this initial recovery. You could see when you saw this bar, this candlestick, you could see it couldn't really hold the rally here, and then you see the next day, you see the real gap down here, exhausting here, really kind of leaving something what they call as a you know, an potential island reversal there, because you do see an island type of formation there, you know, your gap up and then a gap down, and very indicative of changes in trend here. And then you see this long 100-day moving average that really